TikTok is a social network to share videos with filters. You can upload content that you created before or even a few days ago. To do this, you simply have to use the upload section when creating a video to enter the gallery. You have the possibility to upload several videos simultaneously. By doing so, you can edit them jointly or individually with each of the previously selected clips. In the same way, you can create a slide video from several photos. By selecting them, TikTok will join them, and you'll be taken to a screen from which you can choose what kind of animation, filters, covers and sounds are consistent with your animation. Another option of this application is to perform a duet with another person. This is a video where the screen is divided. On the left side of the screen will appear the original video that has been uploaded by another person, and then the other half, the one you recorded. For this, enter the account of some user and in one of their videos click on the share button. If this person allows duets, the duo option will appear. Another of the peculiarities that TikTok allows to do is a reaction video. In this case, the main video you react to will appear large and your video will be small in one of the upper corners. You can also do lip sync and insert music into the videos. It is one of the specialities of the social network, so you have enough tools to do your best.